so, well, basically, this is a very special model, the Burj. It was specifically designed for the Arab Emirates. Now, the biggest size of it is around 250 centimeters, which is 2.5 meters. And I would say it's around 400 kilograms, just the chandelier itself. And now our partner, he asked me, he has a project in Dubai. And when you go into that villa, there's basically a 10-meter entrance when you go through the entrance door. And he was like, yeah, the 250 isn't big enough. We need something bigger. I was like, okay, let's figure it out. And we were talking about the technical details, and we found out that we can actually make the 4-meter tall Burj chandelier, which is right here next to me. Well, if we calculate, if we would put all the crystals together, the length would be around 4.6 kilometers. And the weight of the chandelier itself is a little bit above 800 kilograms. And so now the client hopefully will be satisfied when, when he comes home and sees this beauty.